So in my pot today, I've got 20 little seeds. Little round seeds that were very shriveled. They've been soaking for 48 hours now. And I've got a little seed tray here. I'm going to plant them in. Zoom out. It's got water in the bottom. It's soaking up at the moment. And these are a pink variety of banana. Now, banana seeds, unless it is a hardy variety, these are not planted as tropical plants, so they have no protection against the frost, and these guys don't. So they would be greenhouse or house plants. Now, just zoom in a minute. They were really shriveled. They have plumped up a little, but not a huge amount. Let me try and get some out so you can have a look at what a banana seed looks like, because to be honest, I had no idea. There it is. A little less shriveled than it was. And it has, there's no real head to the seed, I guess I would say, like some have. Which gives you an idea which way up to plant them. So I don't think they're going to get any better than they are now, as they've been soaking so long. So I'm going to pop them in here. Now this little seed tray does have its own lid, which keeps it very warm and moist. But to be honest, I'm not having a lot of luck with these little plastic propagators, so I'm going to pop it into a Ziploc bag because that never fails me, and we'll see how it goes from there. Germination is said to be really sporadic, can take up to 6 months, hoping that's the worst case scenario and we get something within a few weeks. So I've just put a couple of seeds in each pot, and I'm not pushing them very deep in, I'm just covering them lightly. I don't think they need light to germinate. I couldn't find any information on that, but they do. They like it hot, and the seeds need to be in a bright place. Although, when I say it doesn't need light specifically, I mean don't leave the seeds above the soil. So, push them all in nicely. Some will germinate as quick as 2 weeks if we're lucky and we've softened the seed enough. I did leave them in for 48 hours because they didn't feel very soft after 24. So there we go, they're in. Now I have some super big Ziploc bags here, which I use for my seeds. I'm going to put the tray in that and into a sunny window. So that's how it should look, and I've dated it, wrote what's on it because we've got so many seeds here. And in a couple of hours we should see some nice condensation on that bag. Nice bright sunny windowsill. Hopefully we'll have something in a couple of weeks. It's about 6 weeks on from when we planted the seeds. We had 2 come up, this big one in the middle and another one, but the other one died. All the other seeds are still in, and I hope we will get some more germinating because they can take up to 6 months to germinate. But look at this guy in the middle, he's absolutely fantastic. He's ready to go into a bigger pot now. He's actually starting to get some tips, brown tips to his leaves because he's not happy where he is. So he's going into a bigger pot, and hopefully we will get some more to germinate. But that's how easy it is to actually start your own bananas, and this is quite an unusual variety as well. So give it a go. We just got our seeds off eBay. We didn't do anything special. Picked somebody with a good reputation and have a go. Just soak your seeds for the extra time. And that's how easy it is to do a banana in the UK in your own home.